What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I'm gonna do a install video of the Arrma Big Rock, the light bucket set. First I'm gonna go through why I'm gonna do it, and then I'm gonna get into these lights, which this light bucket set that I just got from Arrma, and then I have thoughts about this. First I'm gonna show you why. Here go my original plastics. I broke off the lens and lost everything, and so I decided to order these. Now, the funny part is, they really pissed me off. I ain't gonna lie, I was pissed. You get the light buckets and everything, but you don't get the lens that go over top of it. Like, what is the point of having this if you don't got the lens? So you gotta pay for the lens separately.
Oh shit.
Wow,
Here we go
come
again.
on now. I'm gonna have to just go. I refuse to buy the lens for this. Order back, but you get the buckets, but no lens. I don't get how that works. Because if you break this, you're gonna break the outside of the lens most likely. So why not give you the lens? These, especially the rear, you're not gonna break this. If you impact, you're not gonna break this part. You're gonna break the lens. When you break this, you're gonna break this plastic piece, but the lens comes first. So you would think if this is a light bucket, it should come with the lens. I'm confused. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna install it. Let y'all check that out. Then I got the, complaining, I got the aluminum foil thing out. I put that in there. So what I'm gonna do is remove these how I got it and install it. I'll leave the light bucket set in the link below, and I got the light set for the Big Rock, specifically for the Big Rock. I'll leave both of these in the description below where you can get them from. I got mine from RC Discount. Got this from RC Discount, but then I got this off of Arrma. It's not Arrma's fault, they don't make the product. I got this off of it might even review. I got the light kit off these. Got the light kit and the lens is over. Well, I don't even have the lens over. I just got the light bucket. Guess you gotta order it separately. Don't see why and how, but I guess you gotta order all that stuff separately. That's gonna be a pretty simple install. First thing you gotta do is take all of this stuff off here. They even give you screws to replace all of those, which is a good thing. But come on, y'all. Pretty hard to get up. Like, but all I'm gonna do really, I'm gonna just replace the front, because the rear, I could replace that back there, but I already got it hooked up a certain way, and then it doesn't have, with the light kit, it don't have a bulb for the middle right here, and I already got a bulb there, so I'm gonna just replace the front. Thank God I don't need a lens for the back too. I just need one for the front. And all I need is one lens. I even went through buying this whole kit for just one lens. One side. This is how you put it in there to give you a little slot right there. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe I should make this background white. Alright. Here go the light bucket right here. I guess you slide this through this little slot. Slide through this little slot right here. Then you put it through there and bang it lay in there just like that. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm gonna tell you what the light kit comes with. It comes with two fronts, and it comes with the rear light bar, and you get this. You get this harness, look like a switch. I believe, I'm not sure, but I believe this will make it come on and off. Not 100% sure. I think that'll have it to the place where it comes on and off. I don't know if I'm gonna install that feature. I had it wired, and like I would have to rewire everything. I don't know if I want to go through that, so I'm gonna just leave this. I'm gonna find out if it do that, but. And this is how this hook up to this one. The same deal, you got this little slot in the back. Put the lights in right here. Put it right there, turn it that way so it don't be pulling on it the wrong way. And boom. And you got it sitting in there. So that's how to install it. Remember, you put it through that little slot. But I might take this off. This would come in handy, you know what I mean? But I just got it hooked up already. I don't really know if I need to do all of that. But it'd be so much cleaner on the inside if I did, so I may do it. Yeah, I'll put the lights in. Yeah, I put the backlights in, basically the same thing. Feed it through this little slot right here. Boom. That part goes up. Pop it down in there. There you go. Once you get that in there, make sure the word is facing upwards on the car. Pop it in there. Now I got the lights all the way installed. All I gotta do is hook up the wiring. I got like light boxes in the front and I put it in the back now. So I'm gonna throw my aluminum foil right here. Trying to figure out what to do with this. Now I'm trying to hook it up. Place the wire together. I got it all hooked up, so what I want to do now, I want to just see if it's going to work before I clean up these wires. Yeah, this is the first car I did, so what I did, I put washers back here instead of the aluminum foil. It's glued in, so I'm not going to even bother to take that off, but this is the first car I did, so now it's the time to test it to see if it's going to come on. Alright, now y'all be able to see if it comes on. Let's see if it's gonna come on so I can clean these wires up, and there we go. Turn right on. So it worked out. We got white in the front and we got red in the back. Also got my little red light right here, if you can see that in the back. I added that extra. Now, the thing I wanted to tell y'all too is this part right here that comes with the light kit. If somehow you could hook it up where this is connected and you could just plug it up, that will also make the lights come on. So I couldn't figure out where to put it at, so I said, you know, I'll just go with my old routine, my old style. But this will be a wireless connection too. I just don't know how to do it. I might look into it to see how to do it, but I just stuck to my way. It would be a lot easier if I could have figured that out. Whole lot easier. But what they give you zip ties. They give you some things on the side right here. If you can see that, they give you these so you can have it nice and neat. They give you everything you need in a light kit. That's what I want. I don't want all these wires dangling, so I'm gonna just tidy these up. I'll show you the final results. Let you see it on the ground. Yeah, I got them all done. Finished it up, and now I'm gonna cut it on. If you check out the lights, I'm gonna cut the lights off too. And it's that easy. Bang. I just wish I had the lens to go with them, man. It would look official if I had the lens. Don't look bad without the lens, but it's like when you know it's something missing, kind of messes it up for you. Let's cut the lights off and let you see it in a semi-dark. And that was just a quick preview of this car. And another thing I want to do, I can't wait to run it with these tires on here. These is the Badlands, yeah, Proline Badlands MK. These is the Badland MXs. These is the MXs. These tires are pretty good too. I cannot wait. I tested these tires, man. The grip is incredible on here. But this is more about the lights. Tell me what you think. Should I buy the lenses? Because I don't want to, because I think that's a gag, but that's just my thought. I could be 100% wrong. These lights are beautiful. I like how they look. They're bright. The back is brighter than what I had it. So the only thing left is the lenses. And I wanted to put some lights in here, like some white lights or some yellow lights in the mirrors. But these mirrors seem like they're not going nowhere, so that would be a nice little touch to put some lights in there. I'll debate on it. It ain't gonna really be too hard. I probably would have to put a hole in something, put some bulbs in it, you know, have it yellow right there, have the light coming out the bottom where you see the reflection of light out the bottom. Yeah, but the Big Rock is one of my favorites, especially the body. You got light buckets on there. Well, no, you don't. You gotta install. Well, you do got light buckets on there. You just gotta buy the light kit. But unfortunately, I had to buy the light buckets and the lenses separate, and then buy the light kit. But yeah, it's awesome though. Tell me your thoughts. Am I being extra about the light bucket? I mean the light lenses to the light buckets, or do you think that's reasonable for the market right now? But as always, I hope you enjoyed that video. Definitely more coming soon on the Big Rock. Hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.